Got a little problem with this little Insighthome. The thing stopped responding to web request. I couldn't log in. There's just nothing shows up, not responding. But the IP address, the pin still works. So I think the device does boot up. Even though after boot up, it's still. I mean, every once in a while, still go down. This after the quick check on internet. People say there's a SD card. So that's what I'm trying to do to replace the SD card. So there's a full screw here. It uses the I believe this is the star, the security star. I think a star will work. It's the T10 size. We flip the thing around. It's a little SD slot here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace that. How do you do this? I think yes. You slide this metal bracket to the right, and it should just pop right back, right up. Don't know if you can see it. So this is SandDisk 8 gig. I'm gonna replace. I don't have a SandDisk 8 gig, but I have a SandDisk at 32. Hopefully it'll work. I don't really know how this works. Okay. Place on top, the right place. I think you flip this, press down, and slide to the left. Yeah, got it. All right. Hopefully. Oops. Let's put this back. Okay, that's it. Oh, great, it works. Perfect. It works. Okay. So look like everything is, all the setting still there. Yeah, I think the SD card is only used for, yeah, see, all the history, all the information is gone, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm okay with that. Yeah. I'm okay with that as long as I can log in and do my settings. Perfect. Aha. Yes. All right. There you go. It's a simple fix. All right. Thank you for watching.